times today on the 18th of June 2023 we have Sammonkatu 5 staircase A.
Asunto-osakeyhtiö Lahden Paavolan kartano.
But unfortunately the staircase D has been replaced with SS. These are the only two staircases here in this building.
Yeah.
One is original because they had to build, or A, B and C are entrances probably.
Yeah.
With the Christmas around in the building.
Yeah.
And this is from the beginning of 2002, turned 20 years old in last year, 2022. The number is 71469, and it says 01 on the glass also.
Yeah.
That's why it's already 2002. The same person social diagrams is going to be inspected in 2024. I want to check this one. It says 2000. Oh, 2000. 2000.
Yeah.
It also says 2000.
Yeah.
Maybe it was delayed.
Yeah.
It has 10 floors here. It's those two rights. Very nice. Try the chime here. Not checking if it doesn't go anywhere that nobody's coming. Not at the moment. I like that chime.
Yeah, but I would like more like the real down chime.
Yeah, it wasn't that one. Should
Yeah.
have been that. It's a bit simpler. I like this one. For you is the attic or wall going finish. These one here is finish. There is a reservation for an extra button,
Yeah.
I mean, or a lock, but
Expected paikki vain maintained paikka on.
could have been a door close button there.
Yeah.
going back to ground floor.
Yeah.
So that's it, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this elevator. I think we enjoyed it too. There it says in the Swedish style that the energy specification or the year
Yeah.
2002.
That